The day has finally come. I have never decorated for Halloween, but we're doing this. I'm someone where I love light, fresh decor, and I love homey, cozy vibes. I love it when you can go into someone's home and you don't feel like you can't use the towel. You can feel like you can just get comfortable. You can walk on the carpet. I do like people to take off their shoes, but you can't force everybody. So I just started cleaning up, and if you guys didn't see my other video, I went to the 99-cent store and Dollar Tree. I found this wire at Hobby Lobby, and I thought, let's start with the mantle. It's super sparkly. I love this. I will say the glitter was getting in different places, but I just decided just to make a bow. And I just toss it up there because I feel like it just adds that little touch. So I found these little light up trees, and I love the color purple recently, and I didn't realize the other one was orange, but that's okay. It goes with the vibe. Of course, always have to have the wedding picture with our moms, and I figured black on one side, orange on the other, and I just started placing. Like I said, this is the very first time I have ever decorated for Halloween. And if you're wondering about my fall decor, it's actually already in my back family room, so I'm not wasting any of my decorations. Now, I'm someone where I always have to put something on these little hooks on the mantle. Glenn thinks it's so funny because I'm obsessed with it, but it just adds so much more to it, so it's not so blank. And then I said, okay, these two sticks facing each other are weird. I have so much extra ribbon, and I'm all about just improvising. I kind of double stacked it, then I was like, we're just gonna go across and then just bend the edges of the ribbon. I had these little spider sticks, so I said, let's snip them, and now they have a glitter web. I've been getting more into decor and all of that, and obviously we all have our own styles, and I'm someone where I like to improvise, so I had all these blank spots and so much ribbon, so I said, let's just shove some ribbon over here. Again, there's no right or wrong to decor. And yeah, I really love the way my mantle turned out, but this isn't the final look because then I started switching things around, which you'll see. So now we moved on to the bar. We have this really cool vodka skull, and I added that. Then I took away my pineapple shot glasses and added in the skull cups. I believe I found those ones at 99. You guys can watch my haul video. I am obsessed with these flutes. I just recently used them with my girlfriends, and they're actually really good quality. I washed them and there was no chipping or anything. Then I added in these Nightmare Before Christmas inspired bottles and these little poison beakers, and then the 2 mugs that I got. I actually have a recipe video that's going to be coming up that I want to film with Glenn. He makes a really cool drink that I'm going to call Witch's Brew. But this is the final look, and I absolutely love it. I think I'm going to theme my little bar cart all the time. I had an extra stick of the spider, so I just stuck it in my vase. I said, you know what? It's okay to leave your spring and summer. You're just adding pops of Halloween, no big deal. And I can't believe I did everything for under $100. I'm so proud of myself. So I had this tablecloth I found from 99-cent, and then I didn't get like a new basket because, like I said, just keep your regular decor and then add pops of the holiday. It's super easy. So I just did the placement of that, and I really like it. So this is our console. I kind of keep it plain. I'll have like fresh flowers, but I got this really cool popcorn bucket from Disneyland. I love Nightmare Before Christmas. Let me know, do you think it's only Halloween or Christmas or both? I just say both. And then, of course, my little Zero shoulder pal from Disney. When we see Haribo, we buy them. And you guys know we are gummy fans. And Glenn said, I hope you're not giving that to the kids. And our Lonnie gummies, I love those. I said, don't worry, it's just for the video. But I wasn't happy with that area, and we're going to get back to it. So then we moved on to this area. I was like, okay, what am I going to add here? I was just kind of figuring it out. And then I found this really cool eye. I just thought the eye was a really cool find, and then Glenn found my skull pineapple, so we added that just at the bottom. Nothing too crazy. So the next day I went to Walmart and I found this material because I was not happy with the console, and I stopped filming and I said, okay, let's just redo this. I had this skull bucket already and I wanted to use it for snacks, but I said, okay, our keys are gonna go in there, and then add Zero, and then our little bucket for candy. And then I just found this really cheap web. I think it was like $1.50, and I said, okay, let's just spread this around and then add in one of those glitter spiders because I felt like it was just missing something. I think it looked really cute, and this is our entrance. And then eventually you'll see that I found this Mickey pumpkin, which I was super happy about. And then we found our countdown, the stuff you find in your garage. I swear we need to organize it a little bit more, but this is the final look. So this is the console in the front. I ended up adding in a glitter bow because I had one more strip of the ribbon, and I love the way how it turned out. And here is the mantle with all of it lit up. I absolutely love it. And here is the table, just everything. You guys, I got so into spooky season this year, and I'm so happy. And again, just right under $100 of all the stuff that I purchased, obviously not including some of the stuff I already had. But as far as Halloween, I only had a couple of Disney pieces, but I have to admit the bar is my favorite part. I can't wait to decorate for Christmas. But yeah, it's definitely my favorite. And the mantle, I've been lighting it up every night and just enjoying it. I just think it's so cute, and I'm really happy I got into spooky season. Do you guys decorate? Let me know down below.